is my first video in 2025. My name is Andrea, and I haven't posted in years. And by the way, this is me recording my voice. So yeah, if it looks very different from what I'm talking about, then it's just me voicing the stuff. So yeah. By the way, that is my actual name. My name is not actually Drea. Drea is basically like a short name for my grandma. And yeah. Anyways, this is basically like a room tour and like where I record. So this is my closet. Um, Set up. Okay. Uh, this I'm a big Demon Slayer fan, and here's one of my here's one of my collections. This is Nezuko from the show. It's a good show. You should watch it. Here's my other one. Very nice. I like how I